Make this yummy and delicious soya milk for your family to enjoy. Hi fans, welcome back once again, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, follow if you are watching me from Facebook, like, share, comment, leave me with a comment, it keeps me going. So in today's recipe we are making soya milk. So firstly you need to pick the dates that is in it. After picking the dirt, the stone, you wash it thoroughly as I'm doing. So you wash it as many as you can until the water runs clean. So after that now, as you are seeing it, the water has run clean. You soak it overnight. I soaked my own overnight, so see the outcome. And after that, the next day, just wash it very well before it starts to blend it. So I'm blending it using my Odogo blender. So look at this foam, the foaming that is coming out. Me, I did not like it, so I use spoon to scoop out those foaming that is on it while I was blending it. So that is it. So after blending it, I blended it into 4 batches because it was much, and blender is not that big to accommodate everything at once. So after blending each batch, I pour it into a cotton cloth, those pap clothes, that those clothes for pap. I just pour it there, use your hand and squeeze out the juice until everything is completely out and it's mainly only the shafts. So that is it. So make sure, and if you notice that the milk is still inside, you can still open it back, add some water and continue the process. So after that, you now have to boil it for like 40 to 50 minutes. So when it's boiling, keep washing it because the milk, it bubbles over. So if it boils, you turn it so that everything will not come and pour on the floor. So when it's about 15 minutes or 40 minutes, just bring it down and allow it to cool down. So as I see me now, I'm just scooping out when it's cool. When the milk has already cooled down, you use your spoon to remove the thick cotton. There is something like thick cloth like that will cover the surface. Just use spoon to scoop it out. So that is it. So the soya milk has completely cooled down. So I just transfer it into a bucket, my kitchen bucket. So the next thing I did, I used condensed milk. So that's what I use as my sweetener. So initially I wanted to use half, but after pouring it in, I tested it. I now noticed that the tests have not really come out. The issue is not, the tests have not really come out. So I now have to pour everything in. I still put some sugar, and if you taste this milk, it's like those bottle VG, those bottle Vita milk. Sorry, not VG milk, Vita milk. That Vita milk, wow, it's nice and it's delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow for more. Like, share, and comment. Leave me with a comment. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.